Welcome all. My name is Abidari Jafar Sheikh. I am professor in Mose College of Engineering, Wagholi, Pune. Today we are going to see HTML elements and its attributes. Here is the example of a HTML element. HTML element is defined by start tag, end tag, and contents. The example of this HTML element is h1 tag. This is h1 is the starting tag. Then h1/h1, this \h1 is a closing tag, end tag, and my heading, this is the content that goes inside this starting and ending tag. Second is a paragraph. My paragraph is the content, and /p or \p is the ending tag. Nested HTML elements. Every element HTML can be inside another HTML element, or we can say that HTML document consists of a nested HTML elements. For example, in this we have the HTML element, which is the root element, and inside this HTML element we have the body element. The body element, inside the body element we have h1 element. So h1 is nested inside the body, and body tag is element is nested inside the HTML tag. Now sometime you can forget to write the end tag, still your page will run, it won't be any problem, but it's not recommended. Always you should provide the end tag, because unexpected result will occur. Here we have provided a paragraph and content, but paragraph is not closed. We can see in an example, we can write HTML, then HTML tag, closing HTML tag, then we will provide body /body tag. Here we will provide paragraph tag. This is paragraph. We are closing the paragraph tag. We will save it as a demo.html. Type as all type. So you want to replace yes. Run. Open with. This is a paragraph. So if we forget to provide this, still it will run, but this is not recommended. Still it will give the output, but not recommended. Empty HTML tag. Example of an empty HTML tag is a breakline, BR. It doesn't have any content and also doesn't have end closing tag. You can see here, this is paragraph /p, first line in paragraph. This will be first line in the paragraph, but I want to break the line. It should be placed in the next line here. Next is the HTML not a case sensitive. HTML tag capital P means same as small p. Here is an example. if I write it as capital P, it won't be any problem. Look at this. But it is recommended that you should write all your tags in small case, lowercase. Next is the HTML attributes. HTML attribute provide additional information about this HTML element. Always be specified in the start tag, and HTML attributes always come in the pair of name and value. Here is an example of href attribute. A tag is a link tag, hyperlink tag, and that hyperlink you can provide href tag, and href gives the value of a website that you want to link. We will see the example. We will provide a link tag, closing link tag, suppose Google. Now we want to go to Google href. Value of that href. This is the attribute name, and value is http://www.google.com. So we will run it. Google.com. It goes to the Google. Right. This is the text displayed on the browser. Href is attribute of a link tag, and this is the value which we provided. So we can provide another website also. Here you can provide yahoo.com. It will go to the Yahoo. Next, source attribute. Source attribute is used with the image element. It will provide the location of this image. We can see this in the example. Here we can use img tag and source src. Now suppose I have one image stored is a construction .jpg. So now this is the construction.jpg file stored along with the demo.html. So this will run and give the image inside the browser. Here is this. Next is the height and width attribute of this image tag. Now you can see here this image is very big and I want to constrain its size, and I can provide height and width properties of that image. So here I can write width is equal to 600 is in the pixel, and height is equal to 700. If I run this, now the size of the image changed. So we seen the image tag source attribute, also width attribute and height attribute. Sometimes image can be provided with the alternate attribute ALT, and is the text that is displayed when image is failed to load. For example, in this we have available images construction.jpg, and suppose if I write here construction1.jpg, this image is not available, so it will fail to load. Here you can see save, this will fail to load, but this doesn't display anything. So I want to write that images fail to load, but it contains something, and that is website is under construction. So now this will display website is under construction. So user will come to know that this image is there but not displayed for some reason, and that image is of the website under construction. So here I can, if I replace this, now image is displayed. So this message is not displayed there. Next is the title attribute. Title attribute provides the extra information about the element. For example, here we have paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag, if I provide title, it will provide a tooltip. It's a tooltip. So whenever, here you can check here. When I have mouse pointed to it, will show a tooltip. So this is how it works. Title tag. Next is style attribute. Sometimes we have to add the style to the element, such as color, font, size. We can add it with the style attribute. We will see that style attribute in greater detail in CSS, but for today's lecture we will see only simple style. So this inside tooltip, I can write style is equal to value. I want to color as a red. So this paragraph will be printed in a red color. Here you can see. Thank you.